everyone! Today I'm drawing a charming house and tree. Let's draw and paint together. First I'm drawing the roof of the house. I love drawing and painting houses. Please try to draw with me. Let's draw the walls of the house. Now I'm drawing the door. I'm drawing a window here. Drawing a tree here. Color. Y and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next I want you sing with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U and V W X Y and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next I want you sing with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U and V W X Yellow color. Now you know your ABC. Next I want you sing with me. Now you know your ABC. Next I want you sing with me.
mother hen